Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Teams meeting logging into Dynamics CRM step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft Teams meeting logging into Dynamics CRM, start by opening your Dynamics CRM application. Ensure you are logged in with the appropriate credentials. Navigate to the Settings section of Dynamics CRM. From there, look for the integration options. Select the Microsoft Teams integration settings. Verify that the integration is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of the Microsoft Teams application installed. Open Microsoft Teams on your device. Go to the Settings menu in Microsoft Teams by clicking on your profile picture. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, locate the App Permissions section. Check if Dynamics CRM has permission to access Microsoft Teams. If permissions are not granted, adjust them accordingly. Now, return to Dynamics CRM and refresh the page. Next, navigate to the section where meetings are logged. You should see an option to connect to Microsoft Teams. Click on this option to initiate the connection. Follow the prompts to authenticate your Microsoft Teams account. Once authenticated, configure the meeting logging settings as needed. Set your preferences for how meetings should be logged into CRM. Typically, this includes options for meeting duration, participant details, and notes. Save your settings once you have made all necessary adjustments. Return to Microsoft Teams and schedule a test meeting. Invite relevant participants from your Dynamics CRM contacts. After the meeting concludes, go back to Dynamics CRM. Navigate to the meeting logging section. You should now see the meeting recorded as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.